Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we are going to proceed with a new subtopic, which is technique of integration, substitution methods. Okay, so before we proceed, you should know that we apply technique of integration when we cannot integrate that function directly. Okay, so there are a few techniques of integration, but the first one is substitution method. I divide this substitution methods into two cases. So case 1, when you let a function be in terms of u, then you can integrate that function directly. For the second case, case 2, when you let a function be in terms of u, you still have variable x. So we will take a look on how to solve these case 1 and case 2 by using substitution methods. These are the steps involved in substitution method. First, you need to choose which of the function can be u, and you will differentiate this u, du dx, and you need to substitute u and the u in the original problems and integrate that function. Okay, after you integrate, you must replace back in terms of variable x, and if you are given a limit, then you need to apply limits. Okay, but remember, technique of integration purposely is used so that the integration become more simple. Okay, so if you choose a certain function to be u, you have to make sure that it will make your problem become more easier. Okay, if when you choose a certain function to be u and your problem become more complicated, then your chosen u might be wrong. Okay, so let's take a look at the first example here. This is case 1. So as you can see in this example here, we cannot integrate this function directly. Okay, so we need to apply technique of integration. Each of the following function could be your u. If you don't know, then you have to try and error. Okay, so let's say I'm choosing this one as my u. Okay, so u is equals to x plus 2. So my du dx is equals to 1. Okay, then make dx as a subject. So you will have dx is equals to du. Okay, so when you substitute back this u and dx in the original problem, you will have u over square root. So for this part, you didn't change anything, right? So you just copy back. So you will have x squared plus 4x minus 6. And what is your dx? dx is equals to du. So can you integrate this function? The answer is no. Why? Because you cannot integrate the function when you have a different variable. Okay, as you can see here, you have to integrate with respect to du. So you have to make sure all of the function here must be in terms of u. So therefore, this chosen u is wrong. The correct u will be u is equals to x squared plus 4x minus 6. So my du dx is equals to 2x plus 4. Then I need to make so that my dx be as a subject. So I will have dx is equals to du over 2x plus 4. So when I substitute back in my original problem, then I will have integrate, so x plus 2 over square root u. Okay, because I'm letting all this function be my u. Okay, dot dx. So what is my dx? This one. So du over 2x plus 4. So if you take a look at this function here, can you simplify? Yes, you can. By factorize this function. So if you factorize this one, you will get x plus 2 over sec u multiplied by du over, so we factorize u, then we will have x plus 2. As you can see here, this one and this one we can cancel out. And in this case, 1 over 2 is a constant. So we will factorize 1 over 2. So basically, you just need to integrate u negative 1 over 2 du. So as you can see here, this is your original problem. Now you just need to integrate this one. So your problem become much more simple. Okay, so therefore your chosen u is correct. And before you proceed with the integration, you have to make sure here you have du, means that all the function must be in terms of u. How did I get this power negative half? Because here you have square root. So when you bring this one to the upper side here, so you will have power negative half. So integrate this one will give you 1 over 2 u. So negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2. And you have to have plus c. So therefore, your answer should be, so for this one here, 1 over 2 will give you 2 u 1 over 2 plus c. Okay, so that you can cancel out this one. So your final answer will be square root. So what is your u? X squared plus 4x minus 6 plus c. Remember, when you integrate, you need to substitute back the original function, because you were asked to integrate with respect to dx. So we just apply the substitution methods here so that your problem become much more simple. So at the end, you need to substitute back what is your u. So that's all. I shall see you in my next video for more discussion. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.